Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Budi and hello everyone. My name is Raffiaki Pratama from UPI Faculty of Psychology, student number 21240900052. At this time, I will tell you present about what is ethic, what use is ethic, where are does ethic come from, and ethic are different to legislation. First one, what is ethic? It is simple. Ethic is a system of moral principle. They affect how people make decisions and lead their life. Ethic is concrete with what is good for individual and society, and is also described as moral philosophy. The term is derived from the Greek word ethos, which can mean custom, habit, character, or disposition. Ethics cover the following dilemmas: how to live a good life, our right and responsible, the language of right and wrong, moral discussion, what is good and bad. Our concept of ethics have been derived from regulation, philosophy, and culture. They infuse debates on topics like abortion, human rights, and professional conduct. Two, what use is ethic? Ethics need to provide answer. Photo Geoffrey Holman, if ethical theory of to be useful in practice, they need to affect the way human beings behave. Some philosophers think that ethics does do this. They argue that if a person realizes that it would be morally good to do something, then it would be irrelation for that person not to do it. But human beings often behave irrationally. They follow their gut instinct even when their head suggests and different courses of action. However, ethic does provide good tools for thinking about moral issues. Ethic can provide a moral map. Most moral issues get used pretty worked up. Think about abortion and euthanasia for starter, because these are so emotional issues. We often let our heart do the arguing while our brains just go with the flow. But there's another way of tackling this issue, and that where philosopher can come in. They offer use ethical rules and principles that enable you to take a clear view of moral problems. So ethics provide with us with a moral map, a framework that we can use to find our way through difficult issue. And where does ethics come from? Philosophers have several answers to this question: good and regulation, human conscience and intuition, a rational moral cost-benefit analysis of action and their effect. 4. the example of good human beings. 5. A desire for the best for people in each UQ, unique situation, and then political power. Last, ethics are different to religion. Ethics are a system of principle and custom that affect how people live their life. At times, we do not have to follow this principle of ethics. It is general in the best interest of everyone that we do. And ethics are different to legislation or laws that dictate what is right and wrong. Ethics represent society option about what is right and what is wrong. When we think about ethics in digital technology, we are considering what society opinions are about the use of computer and the development of hardware and software. And that's all for me. Sorry there are mistakes. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.